Hello children, today we are going to discuss conditionals. Your next topic, conditionals. A conditional sentence is a complex sentence with an if clause as its subordinate clause and a main clause. Conditional, two parts of a conditional sentence. The part that describes the condition is called the antecedent or if clause, and the part that expresses the effect or outcome of the condition is called the consequent or simply the main clause. Types are here: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. If plus simple present, if plus simple present first conditional, if plus simple past, if plus simple perfect in third conditional. And the main clause, simple present, simple future, present conditional or present continuous conditional, perfect conditional or perfect continuous conditional. So time, situation and usage you can read from here. Punctuation in conditional sentences. Use a comma after the if clause. If clause के बाद हम comma use करेंगे when it precedes the main clause. If I would have got your email in time, I would have changed my plan. Here comma is used. Okay. Clause precedes the if clause. No punctuation is necessary. Coming to the next page, conditionals. Conditional sentences are statements that describe non-factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. The if clause can occur at the beginning or at the end. When the if clause comes before the main clause, we put a comma after the if clause. Like if she works hard, she will come first in the class. Now if she works hard is a if clause and rest one is main clause. We will cancel the trip if it rains. We will cancel the trip is a main clause. If it rains, if clause. Types of conditionals are here: zero conditional, if plus subject plus verb, present tense plus object, subject plus verb plus present tense plus object, if clause or main clause. The zero conditional is used to make statements about the real world and often refers to general truths. First conditional, if plus subject plus present simple and main clause, subject plus will plus base verb plus object. The first conditional describes a possible condition and its probable result. So here you can read out the examples. Second conditional, if plus subject plus simple past plus object. Subject plus would plus base verb plus object, main clause. The second conditional sentences describe unlikely or hypothetical conditions and their probable results. Examples are given. You can read it by yourself. And the last one, third conditional, if plus subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Subject plus would have plus past participle is the main clause. The third conditional expresses an impossible condition in the past and its probable result in the past. Now coming to your classroom assignment 68, identify the type of conditional. What you have to do, you will write the type of conditional in these blanks and underline the main clause. Had you started your work well in time, you would have finished the project by now. You would have finished the project by now is a main clause here. And which conditional is it? Third conditional. In third conditional, we used if plus had plus past participle. Second one, she would help me if she could. She would help me, main clause, and it's the second conditional. In this way you can complete these by on. Coming to the B part, fill in the blanks with will, would have, had, were, don't, doesn't as appropriate. If we dash hurry, we will miss the bus. If we don't hurry, we will miss the bus. I dash buy these shoes if they fitted me. I will buy these shoes if they fitted me. If you had tried harder, you dash reached your goal sooner than you did. You would have reached. In this way you can complete this. Okay, these all sentences by on. C part, rewrite the following sentences in the first, second or third conditional as indicated. Now the conditionals are given. Conditions are given. Okay, you have to write accordingly. First one, if you exercise regularly, you will be able to lose weight. Second conditional, if you exercised regularly, you would lose weight. I will call you if I get a good Wi-Fi connection. Rewrite as third conditional. If I had got a good Wi-Fi connection, I would have called you. If it had rained, we would have cancelled the outing. First conditional. If it rains, we will cancel the outing. In this way, you can complete all these sentences according to the conditionals. Okay, do it by yourself. Coming to the D part, supply the missing part of the following conditional sentences. If you don't finish your work on time, dash, you won't get to watch any television. You can complete these missing parts by on. You can write anything according to the sentence. Dash, we would have got the ticket. If you had reached early, we would have got the tickets. Do not light the stove if their fire works. So in this way, you can complete this exercise by homework assignment. This you can do by yourself.